Alright everyone, we're off again. See that directional troweling? My laser level is a little bit hard to see, so I've actually drawn a pencil line up there. That's a cut. Pop that cut in first. Not forgetting to pop across under it. If you see glue in your joints, just before you put your cross in, just wipe it off or wipe it out with your finger. Then when you go up with your crosses, you haven't got glue in your grout line. Don't leave it for after, because then your glue dries. And you have heaps of trouble then. So I've pre-cut all my cuts. They're all the same. Both sides. That's all there is to it. Tilers charge more for subway tiling. I don't really, because once you're set up, it's all pretty quick. Whooshka. Once you sort of get underway, well then you can start doing 2 rows at a time before you start putting your crosses in. See the glue there? I just wipe it out like that, wipe my finger up on the wall. When I put a cross in, you hung the hose. Wrong way around, that's better. Get your crosses out. Be a little bit careful when you're doing this though, that you don't get ahead of yourself, and then you come back when the wall is dry and go, oh shit, I didn't put a row of crosses in that row. It is safer if you do a row at a time. That's it, lovely. We'll get back to you soon. See ya, bye.